Step 1. Check accessories. Step 2. Assemble Xmas tree. Do not tighten the screws. Leave some space for inserting the tree trunk. Insert part C into the base. Tighten all screws to keep the tree straight and stable. Tips: adjust the branches of each part of the tree before assembling them. Insert part B into part C. Insert part A into part B. Step 3. Connecting light springs. Tips: 1. Connect the two plugs with the same letter. 2. Screw the plastic non-stow and sure as secure fit. Step 4. Adjust all branches. Plug the branches accordingly to fill out any bald spots and negative space.